Hey guys, this is Shovik Mitro and welcome once again to my channel that was High Tech Review. And today I'm gonna unboxing the Gionee E3. So Gionee recently launched some series of E-Life, E3, E6 or E5. The E6 is not available still now, but E5 is also available at the price of rupees 17 to 18,000. But the E5 doesn't have the memory card expandability, but that phone just have the 16 gigabyte. But the E3 have 16 gigabyte vibrant, and also it can extend expandable memory up to 32 GB. That is very impressive. And there is written a good thing that was 4.7-inch Retina display. I don't know it's real or fake, so let's check it out. It's really Retina display or not. And there is also mentioned that 365 days of warranty. It's mean 1 year warranty. And so the pricing info is written, you can see it's 17,999, which is approx 18,000, but you get this device around 15,000 in Kolkata market and the India market. So let's open the box. So first of all, you get the beautiful black handset, which I really preferred. I just ordered the black one. Black one is not available in many other cities or many other online store, but we get the black vibrant of Gionee, special black vibrant from Gionee official website. So here is it. So let us put aside and let's move to the other thing of this box. So let's open it. It's pretty hard. So here is a gift from Gionee. You get a back case which is made of plastic from Gionee, and thereafter you get a Gionee Android series phone card or something else, Gionee user guide, warranty certificate when you get the device. Your one is stamped. And next one is Gionee service center list, very big. And here have a screen protector for your device, which is really good. One of the screen protector is already inserted, and you get two screen protector. And now the other stuff, you get standard charger. Charger is pretty basic, not some special thing, standard charger. The second thing you have is the data cable. It's data cable called charging and data syncing, simple data cable. And last one is pretty impressive, guys. This thing is really rocking mean rocking. So you have this this is the 3.5mm headphone jack, gold plating, but these ear tips are metal body ear tips. Look the closer view of these ear tips. Really good quality, premium quality earphone from Gionee, really premium kind. And you have the push button for end call. Here is the push button and the microphone. So let's get on the stop side and let's move to the device. We already inserted the battery. So here is a pure black view of the Gionee E3. Let's move the back cover. When you remove the back cover, you will get a battery of, let me see, it's 18,000 milliampere battery, which is pretty good for a 4.7-inch device. And you also get one for your first SIM is micro SIM and second SIM is full size SIM slot. And you also get a micro SD card slot, which is expandable up to 32 GB. And here is a speaker, nothing else. So let's pop on the battery and put the cover, and let's use the silicone cover. So it's already fixed. So here is the view of silicone cover and your Gionee E3. So we're gonna quickly read this off because it's just The phone is very beautiful, so we don't need this cover. At the back you have the 8 megapixel camera and the single LED flash. You have the Gionee logo, something called TTS sound, and the speaker output, nothing else. And this side you have the lock and unlock key, power volume rockers, and nothing else. And the bottom you have the microphone. Here is the microphone and nothing else there. And this side you have nothing. On the front you have 2 megapixel camera, which is wide angle camera, in-skull picker, some sensors, nothing else. And you have there 3 touch capacitive button. So let's on power on the device. So here is guys the first look of Gionee E6. Here is the Gionee E6, the first look. I'm gonna quickly come back with the full review and gaming review of Gionee E6. So please subscribe my channel if you like my review. Please if you want any question or if you have any question, please comment down below. So this is Shobik Mitra saying you goodbye. Hope you enjoy this review. Thank you for watching.